Hey kids! Today we'll play a game. You need to guess the farm animals today. They are hiding behind a blur. Let's find out who they are. Are you ready? Let's start. Who is this? It's big. It has 4 legs, and it goes moo moo. Can you guess? Yes, it's a cow. Cows give us milk. Who's next? This one is round and pink. It loves mud and says oink oink. Can you tell who it is? It's a pig. Pigs are playful and love mud baths. Oh, look at this one. It loves to swim in water and says quack quack. Can you guess who it is? Yes, it's a duck. Ducks love ponds and have webbed feet. Here's a small animal that pecks the ground and lays eggs. It says cluck cluck. Can you guess who it is? It's a hen. Hens lay eggs and take care of their chicks. Wow, this one is tall and runs really fast. It says neigh. Do you know it? Yes, it's a horse. Horses help carry people and goods. Wow, this one looks so fluffy. It goes ba-ba. Can you guess? Yes, it's a sheep. Sheep give us warm wool. Great guessing, friends. Let's say the names of farm animals one more time. Cow, pig, hen, horse, sheep, duck. Thanks for playing Guess the Farm Animals. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel for more such videos. Bye bye. See you next time.